Today, I will demonstrate the proper steps of CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation. CPR is an emergency procedure used when someone's heart has stopped beating or they are not breathing. Step 1. Check the scene before helping. Make sure the area is safe for you and the person. Look for danger like traffic, fire, or sharp objects. Step 2. Check responsiveness. Tap the person on the shoulders and shout, "Are you okay?" If they not respond, move to the next step. Step 3. Call for help. Call emergency services immediately or ask someone nearby to call. If an AED or automated external defibrillator is available, ask someone to get it. Step 4. Check breathing. Look at the chest for movement and listen for breathing for no more than 10 seconds. If the person is not breathing normally, begin CPR. Are you okay? Step 4. Check the breathing.
Bakit parang may pasahin kasi yung gano'n? Kiss mo si Mami, kiss. Yan, sinampal ka tuloy. Kiss mo si Mami, kiss mo. Kiss mo na lang kuya, kiss mo. Dali. Kiss mo muna. Kiss muna, kiss mo. Yan si kuya, mo.
Give rescue breaths. If trained, after 30 compressions, tilt the head back slightly and lift the chin. Pinch the nose shut. Give 2 slow breaths, watching the chest rise. If you are not trained, continue hands-only CPR with chest compressions. Step 7. Continue CPR. Keep doing cycle of 30 chest compressions, 2 rescue breath. Continue until emergency help arrives. An AED is ready to use. The person starts breathing. You are too tired to continue. Step 8. Use an AED if available. Turn on the AED and follow the voice instructions. Continue CPR when the AED tells you to. CPR can save a life. Staying calm, acting quickly, and following these steps can make a critical difference in an emergency.